Get a free solution of advanced ceramics. ATCERA's products play a vital role in the semiconductor industry. Advanced ceramics, with their excellent thermal conductivity, electrical insulation, and chemical stability, have
developing the precision electronic ceramic substrate industry for more than 10 years. The company has built an R&D center of over 1,000 square meters and a production workshop of over 10,000 square meters. The products have passed ISO system certification. After years of technological accumulation and innovation, the company's products have formed a multi-category product structure domained by ceramic components, alumina ceramic substrates,
Semiconductor, product performance and production efficiency, aluminum oxide and aluminum nitride, noted for their exceptional thermal conductivity, are ideal for manufacturing high-performance substrates
and densification sintering of alumina thick film ceramic substrates. Al₂O₃ has completed the independent industrialization of alumina ceramic substrates and achieved an annual production capacity of 100 million precision electronic ceramic components. The products have passed ISO system certification with stable quality and perfect after-sales service.
Play a pivotal role in various aspects of semiconductor manufacturing, including wafer processing, substrate loading, etching and deposition equipment, as well as thermal management solutions. ATCERA's ceramic components stand out for their high purity and stability under extreme conditions, making them ideal for these precision applications in semiconductor manufacturing. Custom ceramic wafer fittings offered by ATCERA exhibit exceptional high temperature resistance and deliver superior machining results and high efficiency processes like rapid thermal annealing, retaining, physical vapor deposition, inductively coupled plasma, and chemical mechanical polishing. ATCERA's advanced ceramic components are highly customizable to perfectly fit production equipment and meet high industry standards, covering precision machining, geometric design, material selection, ATCERA offers targeted ceramic and thick cores for lightweight, heat-resistant wafer boards supports crucial in diffusion oxidation. ATCERA's advanced ceramics, leveraging unique performance, exhibit vast potential and innovative value in semiconductors, driving tech boundaries, poised to develop more high-performance materials and tailor solutions for industry innovation and progress. Contact ATCERA right now.